Hi party people, it's time to do a nightly animal check. You guessed it. The doggies are outside also right now, but we're gonna stop over at the Macaws, grab their food dishes. I'm gonna grab both of them actually because it's supposed to rain early in the morning and I just filled up their seeds. So I don't want them to get dirty. Well, actually I already grabbed their fresh, so we'll just bring in their seeds and we'll put it back out in the morning time. We'll go to the other side so we could see their cute little faces. Oh, also, look at these cute little socks I'm wearing. Huh? What an outfit. Oh, yes, and I am still wearing the rooster shorts. I literally have been wearing them since they got here. Well, not fully, but you know. All right, birdies, night-night. See you guys in the morning time. Sleep tight. Look at this cute little pine tree that I planted there. It's growing. Okay. Now over to the koi pond. We're gonna do a little nightly feeding because I usually don't feed at this hour of the night, but I didn't do a afternoon feeding, so we're gonna break the rules a bit. Okay. I had to put the food up here so the dogs didn't eat it. Just a small snack for the fishies. They're usually a little apprehensive when the dogs are right here. Milo, come here. Okay. We'll leave them to it so they can eat in peace. Okay. Ooh, look at those blue spruces looking lovely. All right, now we're gonna head over to the koi pond. Frank left his sunglasses out here and he said they'd be nice to have for outdoor grabbing. So I put them up there because they kept falling. Kind of funny. Okay, now let's make sure all the chickie dudes are tucked in for the evening. They did spend the day free ranging. I do still need to close up their run. Hi, Harper girl. Ooh, I almost fell. Oh my goodness. I forgot to latch this earlier. So I will do it when we close up. Make sure there's no squirrels or anything funny in here to scare me. All right, we got Leo, number 1, Machu, number 2, Renee, number 3, Rhonda, number 4, Lucy, number 5, Sandy, number 6, Thelma, number 7, and Luis, number 8. All right, chickie dudes, enjoy your nighttime random snack. See you in the morning time. Okay, and then we'll close this up for satisfaction. And then we're gonna just pop over to the baby chicks and say goodnight to them. Make sure they're all tucked up. They're probably all huddled in this corner. Usually if it's still light out, they'll run over here, but... Okay, little chickies. Sleep tight, little snuggle bunch. See you guys tomorrow. Wow, it's so far away it seems in there. Okay, that's all we got, party people. All the animals are tucked in. Is that good? Yeah. Okay. I was using my left hand there. Okay, there we go. Just had to make sure. Okay, adios. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, somebody was worried that the chicks didn't have any shelter. They do. This whole thing, and then I have the sides covered here, and then there's a whole heat plate back there that extends all the way across here. So they could go there for warmth. Oh, look it. We can get a good view of them right here. See how there's that little heat plate on the left there? Okay, chickies. Sorry to disturb you. Okay, now adios for real. Oh, and normally this is tucked up. Don't know what happened there. Okay, peace be with ya.